Buenas gente, hoy estaré probando la nueva actualización. Como ya habrán visto en la portada, les aviso cuando salgan los aliens. Creo que salen al día 4. Ojo mi gente, una katana. Les aviso que sale todo texto por el mapa, sin palabras. Gente, encontré una base abierta, vi que hay adentro. Los podré matar. Así. Sé que está potente. Pobre aliencito. ¿Es en serio? ¿Más aliens? Menos mal tenía mi katana del diablo. Creo que camé papel. Concentración Mexama. No más, por favor.
Sometimes I make you feel insane. Sorry, that's just how I play this stupid game. I can't act like a child and disobey all that you want from me and that you say. I'm sorry, baby.
Estoy con toda la vida.
Puppy, I'm trying to be ultra mega happy and show you my smile and send you my feelings. And fuck, it is so hard being so damn far. I guess I'll just stay here and stay singing in my car.
Lo suponía.
I'll sing in my car. I've been dreaming about you. Ooh, I've been wishing I was next to you.
Ayuda.
Ooh, I've been dreaming of us. I've been thinking this is not a need or a must.
Bueno.
I've been waiting on you. Ooh, I've been waiting for you to tell me those 3 words too, 'cause I've been hoping it's true. Ooh, that one day I feel like I am something real for you. I've been dreaming of us. Something real for you. Something real for you. Something real for you. Something real for you.